everyone, so today I'll be showing you how you can make this mask emoji. So this emoji has recently been added in WhatsApp and this means wear a mask. So how to make this emoji with HTML and CSS? Open your VS Code or any coding software you have. If you have Notepad++, Sublime Text, anything. Go to your VS Code and create two files, one HTML file and one CSS file. You can give the name emoji.html or else mask.html, and then the second step you need to do is Shift+1, that will give you an exclamation mark, enter, then link your CSS file. And now I'm going to create three divs. The first div is going to be for our emoji, class emoji. Close this. Inside this it is going to be div class mask. Div class mask. We don't need this bit, remove it. And div class details. Details, don't need this also. Yeah. Okay, now go to your CSS file. We'll quickly design the body. Body needs to be background color. Background color, the purple color, hash value 5F165F. Then margin 0 and padding 0. Margin 0, padding 0. Display flex. Display flex. Justify content. Center. Align items also needs to be center. Align items center. And height 100 VH. 100 VH. Now we're going to code our emoji. So first of all, give it dot emoji. Width, first height. Height needs to be 300 px. Width needs to be 300 px as well. Background color, not background color, background image, we are going to make radial gradient. And the first color we want to mix, we are going to mix these two colors and get a combination so that we get slight yellow and slighter orange. So FEC A3E 58%, comma FF 8000, scroll, give it a space 80%. Now you need to give it a border radius. A border radius of 50% would be good. Border radius 50%. Position absolute. Position absolute. Overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. And box shadow 30px, 30px and 35px. Then an RGBA 0, 0, 0 and 0.25. Perfect. You can see that this circle has come. Now we need to make our eyes. So for the eyes, again dot emoji. Emoji before delete this, comma dot emoji after. Yeah, now we're going to style these. Content should be nothing. Content should be nothing. Yeah, just this. And width 45px and width height 45px. Change this to height 45px and width 32px. Width 32px and background color background color. Background color needs to be 66663D0F. Yeah. Position absolute. Again, position absolute. Top needs to be 90px and border radius 50%. Border radius 50% and box shadow 0, then a space, 0, then a space, minus 6px and slash F4F2 E08. Yeah, this color. And you can see that the eye is going to come here, so I'm giving it a left also. Make it 0px for now. Now go to the inspect feature. We need our eye to be in the middle, so I'll make it down. Go to our body, div, emoji, then emoji, yeah, then before class. Here a left I have given. Now I'm going to take this eye slightly to the left. Yeah, this much will be fine. So 80px, yeah, 81px, left 81px, perfect. Now we need to give our second eye also, so that also I'm going to copy this again full and paste it, and here a dot. So you can see that the eye will overlap on it, so we need to bring that left towards our down, div and before, dot after, and the left. Okay, it's on that thing. So sorry for opening this. Yeah, so now we just don't need this before, just need the after. Dot after div, go to inspect, dot inspect, and I'm going to afters code. Now the left needs to be a little bit, yeah, left should be little more, like 185 would be good. So left 185, 185, 185, and yes, perfect. Now you can see that the eyes are in place. Now we need to make the mask. So for the mask, I'm going to go for the before and then after also I've made. Now dot mask, we have made a dot mask. So use that, height 120px, and width 220px. Background color needs to be hash value E9F BAF. This value needs to be, and position absolute, margin auto, left 0, right 0, bottom 30px, border radius 5px, then 50%, z index 0. Perfect. You can see that it's looking like our mask. Now we need to make a before and after mask. So dot mask before comma dot mask after dot mask before. Then content, again the content is going to be double quotes and width 300px, width 300px and height 10px. Background color, it needs to be the E9F BAF, this color. Position absolute, Z index is going to be Z index -1. You can see that our strip is over here. Now I'm going to make the same strips like that. Mask before, now the mask before transform rotate -20 degrees right, -51px and top 30px and then our mask before, after. So copy this again, paste, instead of before, after, transform rotate degree now 20 degrees and left needs to be -51, left -51, top 30 again. You can see that something like this is going to come. Now go to the details, height needs to be 15px, width 180px, background color needs to be hash value BEF414, this blue color. Position absolute and margin auto, margin auto left 0, RIG right needs to be 0 again, top 20% and border radius 0, 0, then 50% and 50%, 50%. Then you need to give it a box shadow 0.25px, hash value BEF, this value, and 0px, 50px, and the same value again, BEF. So you can see that this thing, something like this, is going to come. Now dot details, and then I'm just going to copy this second time, I'm going to go on inspect, and here in this div dot before dot mask, inside this mask details, the second div that I've added, here's the first, and it's not applied here, so I'll make another class for this div. Is that we don't need this details div, so just don't need this, no need to close the div. Now details, and make another div class details 1. Close this, we don't need this. Then again a div class details 2. Yeah, perfect. And we don't need this div. So here I'm going to make it details 1 div. Now go to the details div 1, and you can see that this thing has come and the extra something has come. I know why this has come. Okay, we just put that extra. You can see that the second has come. Now we just need the same thing for the third also. So details dot 3. Now details 3, and then top again I'm going to go for details 2, then details 1, details 3, no 2. Yeah, I've made it 2, details 2. Here the top needs to be the top. Where is the top? Yeah, bring it a little down. Okay, perfect. So I'll just refresh this. 20, not 20, maybe 26 is good. 26 is good. 26. So I'll just close this inspect page, and now you can see that this and this is exactly matching. So thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. And before that, I just want you guys to tell you one thing. In my last video of Nobita, there was no voice because there was an issue in my screen recorder, so that is why I was not able to record the voice, but you can still see the code and complete your Nobita. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.